When you are looking to attract more local customers to your business, it's all about location. The location of where your business listing appears, that is, and that location has to be Google Places. More people now go to Google to search for local business telephone numbers than anywhere else, even the yellow pages. Getting your business to the top of the results page in Google requires a combination of actions in which, in all honesty, anybody can do for themselves. However, where we come in is if you want to hit the all-important first page of Google in the shortest possible time. Although we cover all aspects of search engine optimization and social media marketing, we have a proven history of successfully increasing the Google Places rankings of our clients who are looking to target more localized keywords. We use a proven strategy which combines Google Places optimization, organic search engine optimization, and video optimization to help our clients dominate page 1 of Google for their chosen local keywords. Of course, we can't offer any guarantees, and beware of those who do. However, we don't make our clients sign any kind of contract. Our clients stay with us because they are happy with our results and not because we have them handcuffed to us. So if you're looking to dominate your market in your area, contact us today.